In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zip files on Windows 10 in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you've ever needed to send multiple files by email, upload documents faster, or just keep your files organized, zipping is a great solution. Zipping files combines them into one smaller folder, making everything easier to store and share. Let's start from the beginning. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, browse to the file or folder you want to zip. This could be a document, a photo folder, or even several items at once. When you find what you want to zip, right-click on it. A menu will appear. Move your mouse over the option that says Send To. When you do that, another menu opens on the side. From there, click on Compressed Zipped Folder. As soon as you click it, Windows will create a new zipped folder in the same location. You'll notice it looks similar to a regular folder, but with a zipper icon. That means your files are now compressed and ready to use. If you want to zip more than one file at the same time, it's just as easy. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Click each file you want to include, then right-click on any of the selected files. Follow the same Send To and Compressed Folder steps, and Windows will zip them all together. After creating the zipped folder, it's a good idea to rename it so you know what's inside. Just right-click the zipped folder, choose Rename, type a clear name, and press Enter. That's really all there is to it. Windows 10 has this feature built in, so you don't need to install any extra software. It's quick, simple, and perfect for everyday file sharing and organization. And that's how you zip files on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.